Outdoor lighting is usually just functional, but this FANDBO lantern changes the game entirely. What if your porch light could also power your entire backyard setup? This is the outdoor wall lantern with GFCI outlet, and the convenience factor here is massive. You get 2 GFCI receptacles built right into the fixture. Think about it. No more running messy extension cords for your leaf blower, your barbecue grill, or those holiday string lights. This is true outdoor utility. And they thought about the weather too. The downward open design is a smart touch, actively preventing rain from getting into the sockets. Plus, it has built-in protection against surges and electrical faults, which is absolutely essential for outdoor power safety. Beyond the outlet, the lighting itself is smart. It uses a highly sensitive IC photocell sensor for true dusk-to-dawn operation. It turns on automatically when it gets dark and off when the sun comes up, saving you energy and the hassle of flipping a switch every morning and evening. The construction is seriously solid. We're talking premium aluminum and thick tempered glass, giving it an excellent IP65 waterproof rating. This thing is built to handle heavy rain, snow, and extreme temperatures without rusting or corroding. It's designed to last. Aesthetically, the black finish with that subtle brushed gold accent gives it a great rustic industrial vibe that fits almost any home style, from farmhouse to modern retro. Installation is straightforward, especially since they include a 3000K LED bulb right in the box, saving you a trip to the hardware store. And I love the open bottom design. Changing the bulb or cleaning the glass is a total breeze without having to disassemble the fixture. Now, here is the one critical note they stress. You absolutely must test and reset the GFCI outlet after installation. If you skip that step, neither the light nor the outlet will power up. It's a safety feature, so make sure you press test, then reset. Overall, this FANDBO lantern is more than just a light. It's a highly functional power station disguised as a stylish fixture. It blends convenience, durability, and smart technology perfectly, making it a fantastic upgrade for any exterior space.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.